Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain the three essential elements of a paragraph. The first, the topic, the second, the main idea, and the last one, the supporting details. What is the topic? The topic is what the paragraph is about. It's usually one or two words that describe the general subject. For example, in a paragraph about pollution, pollution is the topic. And the second one, the main idea. The main idea tells us what the writer wants to say about the topic. Is usually one sentence and gives a complete thought. For example, pollution is a serious problem that affects human health. That's the main idea. It's more specific than just saying pollution. And the last one, supporting details. Supporting details are the sentence that explain or prove the main idea. This can be fact, example, reason, or description. In our example, a supporting detail might be air pollution can cause asthma and other respiratory issues. The difference between them is that topic is just the subject, the main idea is the message about the subject, and the supporting details help explain or support that message. These elements are important because they help make a paragraph clear and organized. Without them, the paragraph will be confusing and hard to understand. I think that's enough for the explanation. Thank you so much for your attention.